Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate the noise effects for your CSS projects. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser in your device, and here you need to search for fffuel.co. You can see the exact spell over here. You can see just simply hit enter, and you can see this website will open right in front of you. Now here, in order to generate the noise effect, all you need to do is just simply scroll down until you find this which says texture generator. Just simply hit over there and you can see a page will open right in front of you. You can change the settings of the current page, of the current effect, according to your needs. You can change the color and everything you want. Once you're done with it, once you're done with the settings, now all you need to do is to just simply scroll down, in this right corner section you can find this option which says save and copy SVG. You can directly copy the SVG format for the same and use it directly over your CSS codes. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.